Hello guys, so in this session we will talk about how to install storage emulator in our local machine. Basically storage emulator help us to run timer trigger uh, in our local machine. So in previous session we have seen that how to run timer trigger using Azure storage account. Okay, so some of our viewer asking that how to run timer trigger locally. So this session will help us to run timer trigger on our local machine. So for this we need to install storage emulator. So we will just follow some steps. Okay, so just copy this URL. This URL nothing but um, help us to install SQL Server. Okay, so you need to just install SQL Server Express version. So just click on download now. Okay, start download. Once your download will finish, click on open. Okay, so it will ask you for the installation type, so just select download media. Okay, so this is our third step. Once you will select your installation type, then you need to select uh, SQL Server installer download, which package you want to download. So I just select a local DB. So just come on the installer and select local DB. Then click on download. I already downloaded, so I just cancel it. Once your download successful, then you will see like this. So you need to just click on open folder and you will see file under this folder SQL local DB. Then you need to just click on it and install it. I already installed in my system, so I just cancel it. Once you will install in your system, then you need to uh, install Azure storage emulator. So just copy this URL and go to the web browser and paste it. Okay, click on start. Then you need to install Microsoft Azure storage emulator. You need to install it. I already installed in my system, so I just cancel it. Once you will finish it, then just go to search and type here Azure, Microsoft Azure storage emulator. Open it. So you will see a screen like this. The storage emulator was successfully started. Now go to the VS Code, click on create new project, browse button. I will create a new directory, timer trigger demo on local machine. So this is my directory name. Select timer trigger, my trigger, my timer trigger. you need to specify your own expression. So I just run my function in every 30 seconds. Open current window. Okay, so my function is ready. I just write down my hello world. Okay, okay, so everything is ready. Now click on run and start debug. Then you will see pop up like this. So you need to just choose use local emulator. So select this option. Guys, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. You will get a similar type of video on daily basis, and press the bell icon to stay updated. See this, my hello world statement is printing. Yeah, again 30 seconds after my hello world statement is printing. So thank you guys.